Assalamu alaikum, hope you guys are doing great. In today's video you'll learn how to create LinkedIn page, so let's move on to the screen and learn online with Ahmad Khan. Go to Google search and write, how to create LinkedIn page. Read the steps carefully. And then apply. Click on the Work tab on the top right corner of your LinkedIn profile. After clicking the Work tab, scroll down at the end and click on the option Create a Company Page. You'll see the three options here. Click on the first option, Company. Now add the name of your page which you have chosen. Then, if you have a website, then enter its address or leave it if you don't have or want to, it's optional. After that, choose your industry. Then size of your organization. Organization type. Choose your logo, it should be 300 into 300 pixel size and the format should be JPG, JPEG or PNG. Then enter your tagline if you want. Then check this box at the end. Then click Create Page. You are halfway done. Now enter the remaining things. Add your website if you want. Add description of your page. And add location of your page. Now add hashtags. Now create your first or welcome post. You are just 3 steps away. Invite people to follow your page. Create a custom button or follow button and then add hashtags as we have already added. Custom button is really important. I am using a learn more button and redirecting it to my YouTube channel. Now add the cover photo of your LinkedIn page and you are done. Now you can create post and engage with the audience you want. Check your custom button by clicking it, if it is working alright. Yes, it is. That's awesome. I hope you like this video. In fact, you'll love it, as I am sure. Please like and share it. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow on LinkedIn and Facebook. Post a comment if you have any question. I am sure you want to know that through which software I have edited this video. I will provide its link in the description. It's a lifetime deal software. I am sure when you see its price you'll gonna buy it. See you, take care, bye and best of luck.